Hi everybody, and today about Python we want to make a little program that does this. You go and use this function, create slides, give a name to the slides, and then in this context argument you are gonna put the title and the content of each slide into these square brackets. This contains just two will contain two slides, and let's go how they look like running the program. And there it is. This is slide number one and slide number two. And so if you want to add more slides, you have to put another a comma here, and then another chapter here, chapter 3, and the end. You run it and you will find it at the end here. So let's see how to do it, and let's create again this this program from zero. So first of all we got to from um, pptx import presentation. Presentation is the class that makes us do the create presentation, and it must have a name. Let me call it file name to be more specific, and file.pptx, this is the default name, and then we will have context in which we will put an example here of chapter 1 into square brackets, and this is a content of the first slide. Close it, column, go down. So now we're gonna to yeah at the end we will create presentation, call this, and give it a name equal my presentation pptx, and then we will say context equal square bracket. We just need square bracket here, don't need this. Okay, square bracket, and you go here, and then you start giving it into square bracket again a title and the content. So chapter 1, and let's start chapter 2, and here we are again. So how to do it is we just have to create a PRS label for the presentation. It will create a new presentation, then we will go into a for loop for s in context. So we wanna, let me print s here. Here is what is s, is just the lists. For us in context, we wanna first of all wanna create the layout. The layout is BRS layout. Let me check here. Slide layouts, and I wanna choose a layout. The normal layout is number 1. For the title is number 2. Then we are going to add the slide. Here I need a D here, so we're gonna slides equal PRS slides, then slides equal slides dot add slides, add slide, and with the layout one. Okay, once we added a slide, so this will create, choose a layout. This will make a slide with that layout. And now we will add the text. So we will make slide, and then we will use shape.title.text. So slide.shape.title.text equal, now we can make everything we want here, but we are going to choose S from this one, the chapter one here, so S0, yeah, and then slide dot. Now for the other one we must choose placeholder for the content, so placeholder, and placeholders 1 dot text equal S, this time is S1, that is this one, the second in the list. And now we now we have to make we have to save it. So prs.save, let's import OS, prs save the file name, and os.start file name. At the end we should see object is not scriptable, line 11 here, perhaps I add slide, okay, PRS here, no, slide. Okay, I had the brackets instead of the square brackets. Maybe there's no attribute shape. We need an S here. No attribute, another typo here. And that's now it works. And then we have chapter 1 and chapter 2. So that's all. We have our presentation here to create what we want, and we can easily add so a chapter 3, and we will have the end, and these are our 3 chapters. Thank you.